G'day everyone, welcome to the next instalment of the previews for the upcoming 2020 Select AFL Footy Stars set, and today is the first of the brand new cards in this set, and it's one of the funnest cards in the set. Had hours and hours of playing with these myself, can't put them down. It is the Jigsaw piece. Now there's going to be one of those in every single pack of 2020 Select AFL Footy Stars. That's the front for the Adelaide Crows, and that's the back. So you collect 9 and it makes a picture on the front and the back. I'll show you that front and back picture that I've got sitting down here very shortly. So there's Daniel Talia, Noah Ainsworth there for Brisbane, Paddy Dow for the Blues, Jeremy Howe for Collingwood, Kyle Langford for the Bombers, Brandon Matera for the Dockers, Brian Myers for the Cats, Sam Reid for the Suns. I'll show you the back of the picture as well. Jordan Murdoch for the Suns there. That was for the Giants. Sam Reid. Chad Wingard for the Hawks. Bailey Fritsch for the D's. Robbie Tarrant, North Melbourne. Zach Butters for Port. Nathan Broad there for the Tigers. Daniel McKenzie for the Saints. Tom Papley for the Swans. Jack Petruccelli for the West Coast Eagles, and Matthew Suckling for the Dogs. I'll drop the camera down and I'll show you what the pictures look like on the front and the back. So that is the made up 9 card back there for Collingwood, and the front there for the Brisbane Lions. So as you can see, it's a 9 card set for each team. That'll be the front look, that is the back look. I'll show you what it looks like in an album as well. So it'll sit very nicely in your folder. There we go, that's Carlton of course there. They sit perfectly in your 9 pocket folder, and it'll be a nice chase there for the young and the old. That is it for now, although I did promise, didn't I? I did promise I'd show the best and fairest cut of the album. I'll do that on the next one. That is it for now. I hope you enjoyed this preview. The Jigsaw puzzle piece, 1 in every single pack, 9 cards per team. That's it for today. Coming out of Select HQ. Look forward to the next one on Tuesday, and I'll show you that best and fairest card on Tuesday as well. That's it for now. Till the next preview.